Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, let's chat about something many of us are navigating: screen time for our kids. It's a balancing act, isn't it? We want them to be engaged and learn, but we also want them to experience the world beyond a glowing rectangle. The key isn't necessarily a strict number, but rather the asterisk quality asterisk and asterisk context asterisk of that screen time. Think about it. Is it educational, creative, or simply passive consumption? Are they interacting with others, or just watching alone? Let's aim for mindful use. Encourage activities that spark imagination, like building, drawing, or playing outdoors. When screens are involved, consider co-viewing or discussing what they're watching. It's about fostering healthy habits and ensuring a rich, well-rounded childhood. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this helpful, feel free to follow along for more conversations on navigating modern parenting.